Which water is going to be best for your espresso machine to stop scale buildup? Is it going to be reverse osmosis drinking water or drinking water in the bottles, which has probably got calcium and magnesium and other salts added for flavor? Well, you need to test it with a TDS meter. So let's go ahead and check it out. Here's the reverse osmosis water. Let's see what reading we get. Turn this on. 33, 32. Okay, let's check out the other water. Now this Nestle drinking water. We want to put the water in which has the least amount of calcium and minerals. 149 for the Nestle drinking water. So I'm going to use the big bottle